Hi my lovely viewers, this is Aloy to World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you mastering autofill in Excel, quick and easy time saving tips. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Excel. So here already I have entered this thing. So here I have created 1, 2, 25. See, so when I just here I click and also see one by one it has been created, and here day of week, here the Sunday, and I just click the here and also drag and drop here. See, in this way Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, in this way, and May month I just here see in this way number 1, 2, and I just click here, sorry, I just do this thing and also this. See, even number. So what is the even number? 2, 4. See, just here, just from the middle thing I just click here, mark, and also here drag and drop here. See, in this way you can see this thing as well as the odd numbers. Again I will just click here and just mark it, and as well as we can click and drop these things. In this way we can do these things autofill. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.